If you go to Etsy.com, you will find there are so many listings about Notion templates who have very good amount of sales. For example, this particular listing has 1.2k sales. Actually, this particular listing does not have this number of sales. This whole store have this amount of sales. If you go to this particular store, for example this store, you will find all the products which he is selling are related to the Notion templates, and all of these sales which he made just by selling Notion templates. And from this number of sales you can estimate that how much money he is making just by selling Notion templates. This is not just about one store. Here you can find many other stores which also have the similar sales. For example, this store has 2.6k rating, and if you go to this store designed by TDBC, you will see this store has 25,000 sales, and all of his listings are related to the Notion templates. So this is the scope of a Notion template. If you make a very good Notion template, you can also get sales definitely. Here on this website as well, you can find some Notion templates are making great amount of money. For example, this one, and this one. And if you scroll down, you will find so many Notion templates which are making tons of money on this website as well. Not about these two websites. If you go to official website of Notion templates, there you can also find some Notion templates have so much sales. So in this video, I will show you how exactly you can make this type of business. Actually, I will teach you step by step how you will make a Notion template, how you will sell it, where you will sell it, and how to do a proper keyword research. Actually, keyword research is also important because you need to find a gap between the sellers and the buyers. For example, if there is a particular type of Notion template, let's say finance tracker, there are hundreds of people already selling it, so you also start selling it, there is a chances that it will not sell. You need to find a keyword with low competition and then make a Notion template for that keyword and then start selling it on these type of platforms. In this video, I will take an example and I will build a Notion template for that example. Actually, the purpose of this example is just to show you how you can actually create it. After that, you can enhance it and add more feature in it just by getting the inspirations from already available Notion templates. So this is the Notion layout. First, I will create a new page. In this new page, it is an empty page. I will just add a cover. If you see here is an option for add cover. In add cover, cover actually is a photo which will show on the top of your page. Here are so many options which you can use. You can upload your own photo, or you can use Unsplash library to search a specific image related to the Notion template which you're gonna make. In this example, we are going to make a habit tracker Notion template. So I will find a similar image here. For example, this one. You can choose whatever you want. Okay, if you want to reposition it, you can just click reposition and drag it wherever you want. Alright, we can use this. Alright, this is okay. Okay, after this, here you can see we have an option to add icon. I will add a plant icon here. Let's say this one. Actually, it is customizable and depends on your choice. Whatever you want to add, you can just add it here. I'm just making this page to show you how exactly you can do it. After that, here we will add the name of the template. Habit tracker template. You can see we don't have the full width of the page. To make it full width, you can go to top right, these three dots, and then click full width. You see our page is now full width. You can make it full width or you can use less space. You can use the page width whatever you want, but I suggest you to use full width. Full width gives you more space to manage your widgets in a more professional way. Alright, this is our page so far. In the next section, I will add a callout. Callout actually is a headline which you can remind something to the users. Callout also has the icon and some text to write. First, you can change the icon from here just by click these dots and then go to icon. You can choose whatever icon you want. Okay, here I will write drink 8. Okay, one more thing, if you go here, you have the option to ask AI, actually wherever you will write a text. If you click on ask AI, you can improve your writing, fix spelling and grammar, or whatever you want, make longer, make shorter. I will just click improve writing and then you see it will improve the writing. Accept. Okay, and one more thing, if you go to color, you can just change the color of the text. I will choose this color, and for the background color, if you go to color, you have two type of color. First is text color, and then you have the background color. For the background, I will choose this pink background. Now you see we have pink background for this callout. In the next step, we will add a two column layout. In the left side, we will add a to-do list, and in the right side we will add a actual habit tracker table. So let me show you. If you click the slash and then click two column, and we have two column, and then I will add a heading. 3 will be to do list. You see we have another column here which we can use to add a actual habit tracker table view. You can just go to databases and then you need to click table view. Our table is added. Here you can see we have two columns, but actually we can drag this line to adjust the width of each column. So we will take the most space in the right side and we will take the less space in the to-do list. In to-do list we can also give it a background color if you want. I will make the pink background to all of these to make them look similar. Okay, the to-do list, this is the heading, but for the right side we did not add the heading. Let me add the heading in below here, then I will drag it on top. Heading will be habit tracker and I will drag it on the top, you see here, so that it aligned with the right side. Similar to the left side, I will also add the color of this one to pink background. Okay, now we have to-do list and we have the habit tracker. In the to-do list, left sidebar, I will add a to-do list. You can just enter to-do list, and Notion already have a pre-built to-do list which you can use. You can add some general option here which user will actually gonna use. I'm gonna add some dummy text here. All right, so this is gonna be our to-do list in the left sidebar, and in the right sidebar we actually have our habit tracker. Okay, here you can see we have table, and if you click on this plus, this is there you can have some more table views. For example, board view, chart view, calendar, gallery, but we are gonna stick to the table view only, but you can add more views as well if you want. Okay, first of all we will click these three dots and hide database title. We don't need that title. Here we have the columns. First name will be actually habits. Actually habit trackers are used to track a particular habit throughout the week. So first we will add the habit, and then we will add all the days. For example, Monday, Tuesday, Friday, all 7 days. Checkbox, and the name of the checkbox will be. Similarly, if we right click on it, we can just duplicate this property. If we duplicate it, you see we have the same property next, and we just change the name of it to Tuesday, and next duplicate Wednesday, duplicate. We have this scroll bar here because one column takes too much space, so we can adjust this as well. We don't need this all space. Actually habits will take some long space. For the days we don't need them to be on more space. Yeah, this space is enough. Okay, this is the layout which we want for our table. Next we need to add all the habits which user might need to develop. For example, here in this I will just use some example. Wake up at 6 a.m. Okay, this is one of the habit, and work out and read book. This could be any habit which user want to develop, and it will be fully customizable. User will be able to customize it according to your needs as well. Okay, this is a habit. For example, if user want to develop a habit, wake up at 6 a.m. they can just check these marks every day when they wake up at 6 a.m. So for example, on Monday, if they wake up at 6 a.m. they will just open the tracker and check this mark, and it is done. Similarly, if they did not woke up at 6 a.m. they can just skip it. Okay, so you can add as many habits as you want here, and similarly these are just a basic one. You can add so many widgets as well, but for this tutorial I think this is enough just to give you a glance like how you can actually build it. You can add so many features here, like you can add new table here for the list of movies that user want to watch, and you can also add the weekly goals, daily goals, or finance trackers, some study planner. You can add so many things. As I said previously, you can just get an inspiration from previously available habit trackers on the market, and you can just see what they have, and then you can add some more features from those habit trackers, and then you will be good to go. So after you see your habit tracker is good enough for anyone to use it, then you can just go to here and share on top right, and if you go to share, you will see here the publish button. Here you need to make sure that duplicate as template is turned on, and everything else, especially this search engine indexing, should be off. So now you are ready to distribute your habit tracker. So this is your link which is generated, and you can distribute this link to whoever want to buy your habit tracker. Okay, if we talk about where you will sell it, so the first marketplace is where you can sell it is Etsy. On Etsy, you don't need to worry about the traffic, because on Etsy you already have so much traffic. If your product is good enough that it can solve the problem of any user, then it will definitely sell. And the next thing is you can sell it on Gumroad, which is also a good platform where you can sell the Notion templates. And the next one could be your personal Shopify website. You need to create a Shopify website, and then you can list all of your Notion templates there and then market it. You need to run some Facebook ads or Google ads, or from wherever you need to get some eyeballs on your website, and then it will start selling. So for Etsy, you need to have one PDF file. For the PDF, you can use any software which generates a PDF file, or you can use a Canva. If you don't know how to use Canva, you can just hire someone from Fiverr for as low as $5. When you create a PDF file, you will just place the link which you get from the Notions for your template in the PDF file on a button, on the click of a button, and then your template will be downloaded from there. So that PDF file you will need it if you are going for the Etsy. There is another very good place to earn money from Notion if you know how to make very professional templates, not just templates, but overall if you have very good experience about Notion, then you can go to Fiverr. Okay, if you go to Fiverr and just search Notion there on Fiverr, here you can see there are some people who are selling Notion workflow. So if you know how to use Notion, how to build anything on Notion, then you can definitely list your gig here, and then you're gonna start getting orders from Fiverr, and you can make a good amount of money just by doing this. So this is it about where exactly you can sell your Notion templates. And the next thing is actually which type of template you can sell on different marketplaces. So first one which I show you, it is a habit tracker, but it's not like you can always sell habit tracker. So here you need to do some keyword research. You can just go to etsy.com as well. Here you can search Notion template, and it will show you some suggestions. You can see ADHD for university, life and work, second brain for resources. You can actually click all of them and see which type of listing they have, and then you can find a sense of template which you are going to make. After this, you can go to Ubersuggest, which is a keyword research platform. If you go here, and then you can enter Notion template, it will show you some keyword ideas about Notion templates. If you go here on keyword idea in the left sidebar, here you can see some keywords for Notion templates. Notion template for business, Notion template for project management, and here you can see the volume. Notion template for business has 210 volume. It means if you get like 10% of the sales from the people who are searching it, you will get very good amount of money. So these are the two ways. Even if you find any other keyword research tool, you can use that one, but I always recommend Ubersuggest, or you can actually use the Etsy search to find the ideas about your next Notion template. So that's it from the video. If you need any more information, or if you don't understand anything from this video, so please leave a comment below and I will check it. Thank you so much.